Okay, here's a video related to the rendering inside Vegas Pro version 17. Here's the result. Let's start with this one. So let's go here to render as. I use this MAGIX AVC AAC codec, okay, as it's mentioned there, and encoder mode, NV encoder or Mainconcept AVC. Okay, that one is present here if you right click on any of these and customize the template. Okay, after that, encoder mode, the Mainconcept AVC, and the NV encoder. That has to be a software encoder and that has to be a hardware encoder. That's visible here in Task Manager. The graphics card is used much more when NV encoder is selected. Okay, and the results are these. So with the hardware encoder, NV comes from Nvidia because I have an Nvidia graphics card here in this computer, Nvidia. Okay, when I used NV encoder, the rendering finished in only 3 minutes and the processor was barely used, 30-40%. When I switched to Mainconcept AVC, then it required 11 minutes, almost 4 times as much time, plus the CPU usage was much higher, so more time and more CPU usage to generate the same file. The files are here. That's the Mainconcept, it generated a slightly smaller file, and that's the Nvidia encoder, which generated a slightly larger file. Okay, so if possible, use a hardware encoder such as NV encoder, and it should be faster and the processor should be used less.